Hi, I'm Kelly Craig here with another Get Financially Fit segment. We have George Joseph, President and CEO of Dade County Federal Credit Union, and Annie Wilkinson, Executive Vice President, here to answer another viewer question, and we thank you so much. Today's question is, I have a little excess cash available every month. What are the best investment options to save for my son's future? Congratulations to anyone who could save a few extra bucks at the end of every month in this economy, but what are her investment options?
Well, there's always the conventional approach, a regular savings account or a money management, money market type account, but there are also, believe it or not, alternatives to that in the stock market. Even if you want to be a little more risky, you can actually buy bonds and stocks. You may not have enough to purchase some, on a month-to-month basis because the amount of your disposable income may not be as much, but you can put it in a savings account or checking account and hold it, and we work in conjunction with some advisors, and they will help you decide where these monies should be invested.
Well, that's a great option for members of the Dade County Federal Credit Union, isn't it, Annie? And I'm sure you sit down and talk with a lot of these folks.
That is correct, and since it is a long-term investment and you're looking ahead for your child, that is a great way to go, investing in the stock market or some mutual funds, and as Mr. Joseph said, we do have that service available that will advise anyone for the future of their child.
Well, I guess the big question is, when can I start savings, and when should I start saving for a college education?
You should start as soon as you can. As soon as you have that extra cash, any little bit helps.
Right, and people shouldn't be intimidated if they don't have a whole lot of money, because, as you said, every little bit helps, particularly when the child is very young.
Absolutely. It could be, you could use these accounts as holding accounts so that when you've accumulated enough to purchase an investment that requires a little more than what you can afford monthly or bi-weekly, that money can then be used to purchase those. But again, all of that you'll be helped with an advisor at the credit union. You can also do a Coverdale type IRA, which is geared specifically toward educational purposes, but that's another type of investment that requires a little bit of counseling.
And counseling is the key word at Dade County Federal Credit Union. My thanks to George Joseph and Annie Wilkinson of Dade County Federal Credit Union. And if you have a financial question that you need answers to, you can post those on our Facebook page or send us a tweet at NBC6 in the Mix. And guess what? Your question could be answered on a future segment.
Get Financially Fit on NBC6 South Florida is sponsored by Dade County Federal Credit Union.